I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are starting off with this purple pink gel polish from Madam Glam. It is one of my favourite colours from them so far. I am going to be getting some more colours from Madam Glam from their gel line, so I can't wait to share them with you, but until then you're gonna have to deal with this. Even though it's bomb, I've chosen some more bomb colours to share with you, and if you want to shop this then I'll have the link for you guys down below, so obviously you can go ahead and check it out. So I've already applied them to the other nails just to speed up the process, as they are all the same colour, and all you want to do after you've applied your gel polish colour is go ahead and cure in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. Now some of their colours do not really dry with a tacky layer. For example, this one is a little bit drier, if that makes any sense. If you have any of their gels you will notice that some of their older colours had a real like super tacky dispersion layer, but this you can kind of tell from the video it's more sort of, should I say, less tacky. Weird, I know, but I just wanted to let you guys know because you will struggle to burnish any glitter into these gel polishes if they have less of a tacky layer. Now I will be obviously trying some new gels from them, so I'll let you guys know how they are as well. So I'm going ahead and applying some no wipe top coat, and then I'm going to come in with the Aurora pigment from Glitter Planet. I'm just going to burnish and rub that in using my finger and also the silicone tool as well, really rubbing it in and burnishing it, making sure to get a nice mirror finish shine. Honestly, the camera didn't do this justice whatsoever. If you have this pigment, it is stunning over any colour. You get so many colours and tones and reflections, it's unbelievable, and I really tried to capture it. I'll show you under some different lights in a little minute, so hopefully you kind of can see it, but I really did try my best. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply this pigment, and then I'll be back to do the rest of this really simple design but super cute. So next I'm coming in with some holographic pixel foil from Glitter Planet as well, and I have gone ahead and cut a tiny strip off. And to prepare the foil for application, you want to go ahead and turn it upside down, spray it with some alcohol or a sprayer cotton pad, and just wipe the back of the polish to remove any dust or debris that is on there, because when when foils are made, they are coated on the back to keep the colour on the film that they are applied to, so it's important to remove that before you try and apply it to the nail. So I am trying it differently here, and I am applying it into a base coat of gel polish. I applied some base coat and cured it on the nail, and then I've gone ahead and applied and pressed my foil in, and it's worked really well. So just as a top tip, if you're ever struggling to find something to stick your foils on, or if for example you forget your foil glue, you can always go ahead and use some base coat. Like seriously, who would have ever thought? So yeah, I go ahead and apply the foils, and then we move on to the next nails, which are my favourite of this freaking set. So I'm going to be using Princess, which is a fine glitter from Glitter Planet. It's absolutely stunning, guys. Honestly, I need to use this more because I didn't even realise myself how utterly bomb this glitter was. But yeah, I'm going to show you here how I use it in a sugared nail effect. So I've gone ahead and applied a no wipe top coat, and before curing I'm sprinkling or sugaring that fine glitter over the top. I'm going to tap off the excess and then just use my finger to press in the glitter into the gel top coat to make sure it's really pushed down and flat with the nail. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds in the lamp and do the same process on the other nail. And honestly, look how freaking gorgeous it is. Honestly, I was in bloody love. It was seriously stunning. So next I'm just going to come in and apply a no wipe top coat to all of the other nails that don't have any sugaring effect over them, and then I'll cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, add some cuticle oil and show you guys the final result. Okay guys, so this is the final result, kind of. I obviously had to add more, so I wanted to show you this final result before we went and ruined it. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I think it looks cute, chic, summery, festival vibes, freaking bomb. That princess glitter gives me so much life, and I'm going to be using it in so many videos in the future. But this is what I did next. I went ahead and added on this 3D catastrophe, because like it would have looked bomb if it was in just white or something, but I don't even know what I was thinking, but I had to share it with you guys. Let me know what you think. Seriously, not even funny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.